Boult Q headphones, are they worth the hype? Tired of headphones that die halfway through your day? Let's dive into the Boult Q over-ear headphones and see if they live up to the hype. The Boult Q headphones boast a sleek design and come in 3 colors. They promise 70 hours of playtime, 40mm Bass Drivers ENC mic. At a price of 1,499 rupees, are they a steal? These headphones are packed with features. Enjoy 70 hours of playtime and fast charging via Type-C. The 40mm drivers deliver powerful bass, and the ENC mic ensures clear calls. They also include Bluetooth 5.4 for stable connectivity. Plus, there's an AUX option for wired listening. Customize your sound with 4 EQ modes. With an IPX5 rating, they're sweat and splash resistant. User reviews on the product page highlight good sound quality and comfort. Some users mention the bass could be better. The Boult Q headphones offer a lot for their price. Long battery life, decent sound, and useful features make them a solid choice. Check out the Boult Q over-ear headphones on the Amazon product page today. See what other users are saying and grab yours now for an immersive audio experience. Don't miss out on this deal.